That's meat burger.
Look at that.
Meat burger.
Meat burger.
You're looking at real nice.
Dude, that shit's gonna be sick. Your dad yells at you when we work on cars.
I've ever done in my life.
Yeah, just give me that one.
Hey, gotta do like the hood interviews. Hey, how's that guy here?
Yeah, you know what it is, man. It's your boy 𝐿𝐻𝐸𝐸. You know.
Shout out Gucci man, dead low. Oh God, Infinite Tony. It's like a fucking bird, huh? You just keep perching and perching while I'm asleep.
Fucker, come in. Yeah.
Mason Parade, we coming for you next year.
Guys, this is how it looks so far at night.
Look good. Look good. It look good. Buckets.
Better, my ass is stomach.
The fuck?
Yeah.
You see what I got doing?
It sticks out like this. We got a hover bowl. That's ready to explode. I'm shaking.
I don't pay this guy.
I had to eat before I get here.
Oh my.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We got an exciting mod for the car today. If you know what this is, you know how the car's gonna look. The whole back is gonna be changed, and it's gonna be looking way different with the whole street aerial. Look at that, so that's how the back's gonna look right there. It's gonna look aggressive.
That's a picture.
God damn, boy. Dude, that shit's gonna be sick.
You're looking at real nice. Real nice.
Show some little ass.
That's right.
Oh my.
That's
meat burger. That's meat burger.
That is the base.
That's meat burger.
Look at that.
Meat burger.
Meat burger. Street aerial. Sick.
That is the base.
Alright, now we can put it together.
I'm shaking.
I don't pay this guy.
I had to eat before I get here.
You don't drop the camera with them ashy hands. You got no grip.
No, for real. Wait, so it goes. How in the monstrosity does this? I mean, there's not much to bring.
Don't get angry.
Right there. I guess it's supposed to be like this.
I did. If you
fit enough.
So does it?
Creed 3.
Yeah.
They got a hover bowl. That's ready to explode.
Spark didn't say spider is Andrew. You better tell him to move.
Oh yeah.
Don't let this guy near your car at midnight.
You can hear him coming up.
Tell that bitch to move.
Hey, Tony, you gotta move your car.
It's in the hood. Yeah, take it in the hood. Look. Wait, no. Look.
What's the fashion?
Turn sideways. Which is fatter, my ass or his stomach?
The fuck?
Yeah.
You want your commission on ultras, huh? Watching your weight, buddy? That's diet beer right there.
Yeah, motherfucker.
My stomach is proportionate with my body.
Oh,
Okay?
shit.
It doesn't stick out like this.
You see what I got doing?
It sticks out like this.
See?
What did that? Lego building set.
You're building Legos.
He's building a shelf for the garage. This is a garage makeover.
Look, it's done. See? So this is what's gonna go in the middle.
Straight from IKEA. What's the deal?
Straight from IKEA, exactly.
I pay way less a month for her membership.
Swedish swag right there.
Alright, so
it's
now
like a family thing. Like,
you gotta
this
do
is my girlfriend. That's why.
this. Boats.
Nah, bro. Like,
I don't know how to use it.
you put it on the car.
Yeah, you put car.
I don't think you're
Hey, I'm gonna need your opinion and shit of where the fuck this is gonna go.
He's gonna need my. I was gonna say slur.
Can you open this for me? Yeah. See that?
I could get it in, but
Let me see your wiener.
it probably would be easy to put it on the ramp.
What the fuck?
Oh, you want to hold it?
Fuck you drinking my water for?
Hold that
Give me a new one now.
Smell popcorn.
Buckets. Look good. Look good. It look good.
Oh shit. Tape. Is the tape not strong enough? We're gonna have to use.
You're gonna have to use Tony. This motherfucker.
He's fat ass.
The fuck? The fuck?
That side's on. So now. Watch out quick. I got it. There we go. I gotta go over here. Alright, that's a dead. That's the middle. I just gotta figure out how the fuck do I want it? Do I want it more in? Out.
Mason Parade, we coming for you next year. Sorry, that was inappropriate.
who?
It's that one porn episode. those guys around me.
Guy fucks car for the first time.
Is that, you think that's good? Yeah, you think that looks good?
Yeah.
The holes don't definitely line up though.
They do not.
So I have to drill new ones.
They do not indeed.
But it is center. Andrew, you see from the back, go in the middle? Is it center?
Move it. Big gorilla. It looks like it.
I mean, just look at the side pieces.
Yeah.
See if they're in the same spot.
It looks like it. Fulcrum, come in. Yeah.
Wow, hold it. But go get the gray one. Get the gray one that's in the toolbox on the top shelf. Because that shit holds it way fucking better than this bullshit.
Send an 8 to look for something.
Motherfucker never see the turbo.
Tony, the red where I grabbed the other
This thing right here. The duct tape. The duct tape.
I didn't know there was that
Sit
one
an
there.
animal to find tape.
They're laughing at you too. They aren't even
Yo, fuck, I got hella haters. Ask them this, bitch. You don't want to do all the way? Yeah.
Shit, all the way to the hood.
It's like a fucking bird, huh? You just keep perching and perching while I'm falling asleep.
Put the light still.
Andrew, you said it's still good?
Yeah. Nope.
You like that?
There goes the gas tank.
You like that, chat?
Spit on it.
God damn. Oh, hell yeah.
I'll watch it.
Alright, now I just gotta put the sides on and then we do Gucci, but it's so much easier now that we got the fucking pilot.
You can just leave it on
Is
there.
that only 4 bolts?
Yeah, 1, 2 there, or 2 on the sides, and then when we get the other ones, you just drill one and you're done.
Oh, I finished fucking...
What do you think?
That shit look fast. What's your name? Say your name. What's the story?
Hey, you gotta do like the hood interviews.
Yeah.
Hey, how did I got here?
Yeah, you know
What's
what it
the light
is,
right
man. It's your boy 𝐲𝐻𝐷, you know.
Shout out Gucci, man. That low. Oh, God. Infinite Tony.
I need the light, man. I can't see.
You hold it.
Okay.
Woo. There goes the brake line. Wave check. Wave check.
White man way.
Do you actually work? Do you wear that?
Excellent. Fulcrum, come in. Tony, can I get a bolt? You humping the floor?
Yeah, on December.
Actually, yeah, just give me that bolt, Tony.
Ain't no recoil in there.
Touch this.
Hey, touching my ass?
Ain't no recoil. Where the recoil at?
Dude, that shit looks so sick. Too bad it's dark, you can't really see that good. Your dad yells at you, huh,
That's
when
the
you work
most
on
work
the
I've
car?
ever done in my life.
Your dad yells at you when you work on the car?
Yeah, and he smacks a wrench in my face. He throws a wrench in my head.
Yeah, bro. Guys, this is how it looks so far at night, but I'm gonna get back in on it in the morning so I can show you guys better. But
like it.
all right, guys, here is how it looks outside the car when it's daylight out. Jeez, dude, that thing looks. It makes the back look so good. Damn. Yeah, it makes the back look so good. Alright guys, well, with all that, I hope you guys enjoyed it. But if you guys liked the video, please subscribe, please comment, please give it a thumbs up. And we have more car mods coming, but this was one of my favorites that I've done since the Supercharger. So like always guys, if you can believe it, you can achieve it. Go out there, go make the world a better place, go do something crazy. It's there. As long as you can believe it, you can achieve it. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.